In the first part of our Rule of 11 series, we've seen how the Rule of 11 works. If the lead is a fourth highest card, which is the standard lead against no trumps, then 100% of the time you can invoke the Rule of 11. And it will tell you to subtract the spot card from 11. Here, subtract 8 from 11 to give 3. And that tells you that in the 3 remaining hands, not the leader's hand, so the 2 visible hands plus the hidden hand, there are 3 cards higher than the 8. If Lefty's lead were to be fourth highest, they'd have led from the King, Jack, 9 and the 8 being the fourth highest card. Righty should therefore have no cards higher than the 8. So we're going to remember that and in this lesson see what happens when the rule doesn't work. Let's make a plan in 3 no trumps. Top tricks, none in spades, 1 in hearts, 2 in clubs, none in diamonds. For extra tricks, we're going to look to our diamond suit, hope to drive out the ace, make length and strength tricks, from the spades, driving out the ace, and at least 1 extra trick from the hearts. So, if the 8 is fourth highest, we expect a low card from righty, but righty plays the king. So the rule has not worked. What does that tell us? That means that lefty's lead was not fourth highest. Fourth highest shows an honour. It's a low card showing an honour, low like. When lefty leads a high card, high hate, that says, I'm leading my long suit, but I don't have an honour. Let's use that against righty. So trick 2, we start with our diamonds, hoping to see the ace appear. If righty plays the ace, it would be easy. We'd have 4 diamond tricks. But righty holds up. Continue with another diamond. Righty holds up again. At this stage, there's no future in continuing with diamonds. We can drive the ace out, but we can't get back to the dummy. So where should we go for next? Well, we have 3 tricks in the bank. Still the ace, king of clubs, 4, 5. Queen of hearts, 6. We can drive out the ace of spades to guarantee 2 extra tricks. Where is our other extra trick coming from? In the hearts. Remembering that lefty's lead was a high hate heart, not a fourth highest. This moment we lead a low heart. When a low heart appears, we insert the 10. Good news. Now we can drive out the ace of spades. Lefty switches to a club. And we're home and dry. 5 tricks in the bank. We've got queen, jack, spades, queen of hearts, ace of clubs for 9 tricks. We may make a 10th trick if the remaining spades divide 2 and 2. So let's have a look at that. No such joy, but let's run for home. Queen of hearts, ace of clubs, and we're not going to make any more tricks. So we're going to claim no remaining tricks. The moral of the tale is if the rule of 11 does not work, where it might have done, seeing as though you're in a no-trump contract and there's been no suit bidding, if it doesn't work, it wasn't fourth highest, so think, what was it? And typically, it wasn't a low-like lead, it was a high-hate lead, denying honours. Use that to your advantage.